Hello everyone, in today's video we will discuss about the depreciation. So today we will discuss the simple problem of depreciation. So let's assume there is a fixed assets which cost is 2 lakh and the salvage value is 20,000 and the life of fixed asset is 5 years. As we know, there are two methods of depreciation. The one is SLM, that is the straight line method, and the second is DB, that is the declining balance method. So what we can do here, in front of depreciation method we make a data list. So for that we'll go to the data and we'll go to the data validation. If you see here, this window will appear. We'll make a list and the source will be these two option. Now okay, so when you select, let's suppose I am selecting here SLM, fine. So now we can prepare the fixed asset account based on this information. So we'll start from the period 1. So here I am writing down the 1. So the opening balance in the first year will be equals to the cost of fixed asset, so is equals to this. Now how do we calculate the amount of depreciation? Now in this case we have two methods of depreciation, that is the SLM and DB. So the formula will vary. So in order to simplify this formula, we can use the if formula. So the formula will be applying here is equals to if this method which is fixed, so I am using the dollar sign, fine. If you are using SLM, so you have to use the SLM throughout the year. If you are using DB, then you have to use the DB method throughout the year. So what I am saying here, if this method which is fixed is equals to, let's say I'll start with the SLM in inverted comma, then it should apply the SLN function, fine, and the formula that we use for calculating the depreciation as per the straight line method is SLN. So it will ask for the first is cost. So the cost will be this, fine, and this cost will remain the fixed, it will not going to change. So we will make it fixed by using the dollar sign. Then the salvage value, again the salvage value is fixed, so we'll be using the dollar sign again. And the life is also again is fixed, so we'll be using the dollar sign. So bracket close. So what we are saying, if this method is equals to SLM, then it should apply the SLN function, otherwise it should apply DB function, that is the second method. So here it will ask for the cost, so cost is here, so it is again going to be fixed. Then salvage value, that is this, which is going to be fixed. Then life, again life is also going to be fixed. Then period, in this case it will ask for the period in case of DB method, so the period in which we want to calculate the depreciation. So here we want to calculate depreciation in the first year. So now this period will going to change, so we are not supposed to fix it, fine. And you can see here the next option is the month. So in this question there is no information about the month is given, so we can ignore this function. So bracket close and I'll put one more bracket, fine. So let's understand the formula once again. What we are saying, if this method is equals to SLM, then it should apply SLN function, otherwise it should apply DB function, then enter. So this is the depreciation which is calculated according to SLM. Now if it changes to DB, it will show this amount, fine. Now we'll calculate the closing balance. So the closing balance will be equals to opening minus depreciation, that is this, fine. I guess this is clear for the period 1. Now we'll move to the second period. So in period 2 we'll apply the garbage cleaning here. So what we can use the if function here, so is equals to if this serial number is less than this life of fixed asset which is fixed, then it should add +1 in the serial number, otherwise it should be blank. Then bracket close and then enter, fine. Now if you drag it, you can see here the life of fixed asset is 5 years, so the value is coming out till 5 years only. Now we'll calculate the opening balance. So here we will be applying the garbage cleaning. So is equals to if this serial number is blank, then it should be blank, otherwise it should be blank, otherwise opening balance will be equals to closing balance of first year. Then enter. Now for the calculation of amount or depreciation, what you can do, you can simply drag it to that cell and now you can apply the garbage cleaning here. So if this serial number is equals to blank, then it should be blank, and we'll put last one more bracket at the end. So what we are saying here, we have copied the above formula, then we'll apply the garbage cleaning and we'll put more bracket at the end. Now for the closing balance, I'm going to apply the garbage cleaning here also. Is equals to if this serial number is blank, then it should be blank, otherwise this minus this, and bracket close. So this will be the closing balance in the second year. So for the rest of the year, what you can do, you can select this row and you can drag it. Now you can see here this value comes till 5 year only. Now the last in the last year the closing balance is coming out to be 20,000. Now you can see here the salvage value is also 20,000. So that means it's correct. We have applied the formula in a correct way. Now if I am changes to the DB method, so it is coming out to be this. So there is a difference of 6 rupees, so that we can ignore. So in this way we can do the simple problem of depreciation. So I hope that you like this video. If you have any problem, you can contact me. So thank you so much for watching it, and if you like this video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.